Hello traders, welcome to the SMC Trader. Today I will go through a strategy which combines two time frames, the 1 hour time frame and the 5-minute time frame. It is a fact that many of you are struggling to find an effective strategy that combines certain time frames. You learn a lot of things and then in the end of the day you are unable to apply those things effectively because everything is a mess in your head and you don't know which strategy to choose from. Well, today I'm here with this strategy which combines only two time frames and you can get extreme profits. By the way, go ahead and check out the other video as well that I made on this strategy on my other channel, ChrisFX, and then of course get back to this video because this video is gonna be very important as well. So here we have the 1 hour time frame and we also have, let's say here, the 5-minute time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame. This strategy is very simple and I'm gonna show you how it works right now. Let's get into the video. And here we are. What you want to see, you want to have a bias, let's say, on the 1 hour time frame. Let's say that we are moving on a downtrend on the 1 hour time frame. So here we are on the 1 hour time frame. We have a break of structure towards the downside and it is important that you have a fair value gap left. If you don't have a fair value gap, then you cannot apply this strategy. So the very same thing that you see right here, let's move it a little bit towards the left. If I was to draw the very same thing that we see right here, but on the 5-minute time frame, it would look something like that, let's say. Okay, we are right here and this FVG, as you see, it would be somewhere right here on the 5-minute time frame. So you expect price to come back to the hourly FVG, but you are trading the 5-minute time frame. There are three ways to enter when price makes it back to this area. One of the ways is when you see the impulsive change of character, or generally speaking the change of character on the 5-minute, you can enter instantly with a market execution. Stop loss right above the high and take profit is this low from the hourly, which is the exact same place right here. And I will take this thing and I will move it a little bit to the left so it is easier to see. Another way to enter is to wait for the break of structure and wait for the creation of an FVG on the 5-minute now and place a pending order, a sell limit order. Or another way is to wait for the change of character on the 5-minute right here and then choose to trade from an order block where you will be having higher reward to risk, which is this one right here. So we have three types of entries for our trade. Let's check out real examples now on the charts. And by the way, you can apply this strategy on forex, on indices, wherever you want to apply it. You just want to see a change of character. It is preferable, of course, if you have, let's say, a trending situation. And now we're gonna be looking at some examples in absolute retrospect, of course, which is way easier, of course, compared to when trading the live market. So I will be seeing what happened and I will be showing you the same exact logic and how you can trade those things. Now, one of the trades that I saw, I didn't call it, this week was horrible for the trading signals. Of course, today that I'm making this video, it is Friday, so I don't know if we're gonna get any trades today or any winning trades, but we are in a 3-trade losing streak in the signals and I have not had any wins, even though the past month there was only one loss. The past 4 weeks, this week I have had until now only losses. I have had 0 wins, guys, and this is total transparency. I don't need to lie to you for any reason. Generally speaking, here we see that we have an impulsive, let's say, change of character on the 1 hour, and I'm gonna be zooming in. The change of character, where did it happen? It happened exactly right here. Okay, exactly right here. Now, we know, generally speaking, that we prefer to enter from a discount when we want to buy, and we prefer to sell on a premium, correct? Absolutely correct. Nonetheless, with this strategy, you will have to risk, and unless it is in your plan to always wait for a discount, any fair value gap is gonna do it. So in this occasion, this is also a fair value gap of the 1 hour time frame, guys. And of course, you have all of those FVGs, this one and this one, which are on a discount. So trading is of course risky and you have to take your chances. Now you expect price to come back into this FVG. And probably this is more than enough already for us to enter on the 5 minute. Price came back on the 1 hour FVG and the change of character happened exactly right here. Now, as I told you, you could be entering instantly right here. Okay. And of course, the target can be the high of the 1 hour. In this occasion, this wouldn't give you even a 1-to-1. So you can go ahead and target, for example, this one from the daily. Okay. So you can enter instantly as I showed you, or you can enter, for example, from an FVG. This is our FVG of the 5 minute time frame. And if I extend it, you can say that I want to enter from the breaker, which is on top of the FVG, which is this horizontal line. Or you can wait for price to come all the way down here, if it ever makes it down here. And there you will have an exceptional reward to risk. So these are the 3 types of entries. Okay, one would be instant right here with the very same stop loss. One is at the FVG with a breaker ideally, or you can enter from the order block. So the 2 first ways were gonna activate us. The 3rd way would activate us as well. But here we would have lost the trade. Let's see what happens now, and this is why trading, of course, you have to keep following the very same plan and you have to go for high reward to risk. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see, let's say that we were exactly right here. Okay, we lost this first trade. You will see though that now we have this remaining part of the FVG. Our bias is still bullish. And of course we have those 2 FVGs as well. So let's go down again. We are still in the FVG. If we have a change of character on the 5 minute now, it's gonna be this high over here. And let's see if we have a change of character. Here we have instantly the change of character. Of course it would be ideal to wait for another candlestick. You see in this occasion the other candlestick retraced as an example. Okay, this is not ideal because we didn't leave an FVG, that's why you have to be patient. Now the new high is this high right here. Let's see. There you go. This is absolutely fantastic. Of course, this is a little bit too high for us to enter a trade. Let's see how many pips. It is 22 pips. But you can go ahead with the very same logic now on the 5 minute and enter from this breaker block which is on top of the FVG. I would place my stop loss all the way down here again and I would target all the way up there. Now, if you want to choose this order block or those 2 as your order block, then by all means you can absolutely have a better entry. So you choose one of the ways, you do not put 2 or 3 entries, and we will target all the way up there. Let's see how this plays out. Yep. Both of those would have been activated even if you would go ahead and if you would try to enter from this one, only with an 11 pip stop loss. Now what you would do, I will take you back to the 1 hour. Now you would target, as we said, all the way up there. Otherwise it's not worth taking this trade. It's not bad, 2.7 to 1 and 1.3, it's not very good. Right here you can go ahead and target all the way up there. Now, you see with the FVG entry, we would be getting a 7.4 to 1 reward to risk. With the order block entry, a 12.1 reward to risk. It is a major difference. And if you would decide to enter instantly without waiting for any retracement right here, then you would be getting much smaller reward to risk, which would be a 5.7 to 1 reward to risk. Not bad at all. Of course, I would suggest that you would close some partials. either up here or let's say up here in this occasion, because this is very apparent that this will be taken. So you could close your first partials right here. Always, in my opinion, close partials. Then let the rest run all the way up to this daily area, okay, this beautiful area. And of course, for those of you who want to check out the weekly as well, here we are also in a weekly FVG, so I would be very careful to let this trade run anymore, but you will see that if I move forward, this went even higher, I think, before it would stop you out. Let's see, yep, it went way higher. So this, let's say 12 to 1 from the order block went up to 29 to 1. You don't know that. Of course, this is all in retrospect. What you know is that you would be closing partials right here, and then for the rest you would be going until here. Okay, let's check out another example which happened exactly on a premium, because many times people tell you all the time actually, buy in a discount and sell in a premium. This is not necessarily the case when you have a very aggressive, let's say, movement towards one direction. So in this occasion, what do we see here? The break of this structure on the 1 hour, okay, and the existence of multiple fair value gaps, starting from this fair value gap right here. And this strategy, guys, you can combine with time zones as well. When we make it back into the FVG, you scale down to the 5-minute time frame. The change of character would happen exactly right here. Let's see, it's not an impulsive change of character. This is an impulsive change of character, but we don't have an FVG. I wouldn't be entering here. Let's see if we have something further. I don't think we have something further. This is gonna go all the way up there. So what does this show us? That if you don't want the existence of an FVG, then you can instantly say, I will either enter from the order block, or you can choose the lowest candle as your order block with a pending order, a buy limit order, or the instant execution in this situation, which would be with a body breaking above this high right here. In this occasion, the instant execution would be your friend, because you would be activated into the trade. Your first profit should be over here, as you see, and then for second profits, let's go to the daily again. Second profit could be, here it is not worth it, somewhere around here, 6 to 1, or you can go all the way up there as a second profit, okay, and that's it for one more time, guys. Now, as of the making of this video, as you see it right here, I have this weekly fair value gap that you see very clearly where price is reacting from. And of course, we expect price to go and retest those FVGs. If I check it out from a daily, let me do some analysis for you. We took this daily high, which is liquidity, and we closed with a body below this day, below Wednesday. On Thursday, we closed with a body, and on the hourly time frame, we have these beautiful FVGs. Well, I didn't enter from this one right here, but if you go ahead and do the very same thing, you can say, where did the change of character happen? On the 5-minute, when we entered the 1 hour, it happened right here. Stop loss right above the area. You can go ahead and target as a first target this one, second target down here. Now, I'm still expecting for price to come back and activate me probably from this FVG as we are talking right now, as of the making of this video. And this is live now. As you can see, price action is playing out live. Or in situations such as this one, this is also right here a place with a breaker block, an FVG with a breaker block where price might be reacting from. And that I'm gonna be calling on the signals as well. Instantly when I'm taking the trade, this is gonna be called in the signals service as well. So I'm fully transparent. This week we have had only losses. I cannot control the market. I'm not one of these multi-billionaire traders. I'm a real trader. So a real trader has losses. Okay, so guys, if you want to join, go ahead and join me. And if you want to learn how to trade on your own, check out the ChrisFX Academy, which is my main channel. I will be leaving the link down in the description, or the mentoring, of course. My customers are all very satisfied, and those who have chosen this specific service, they are able to take their own trades without the need of me justifying their trades at all. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, because now I will be making a lot of educational content which is absolutely free. This is gonna do it for today, traders. The SMC Trader signing